After namin i-drop yung bag sa hotel, lumabas na agad kami para maghanap ng mga kainan. Since gutom na rin kami, we decided na maghanap na lang ng local restaurant nearby. So sa payment, Maribank nga pala yung gamit ko kasi super convenient and okay din ang exchange rate niya for card payments. Most restaurants and stores here accept card. After kumain, busog na kami, so ready na kami for our next stop, the Peak Tram. So, ganyan siya. Peak Tram. Isa-search mo ng Peak Tram. Tapos, pindutin mo yung directions. Tapos, makikita mo dyan yung mga bus. Yung shortest. 16 minutes. So, 56A. 56A and 56B. Ito siya. Pagsakay nga namin dito sa bus, nalaman namin na kapag mga lumang bus pala, hindi ina-accept yung Maribank. Kailangan talaga yung octopus card. Since isa lang yung binili namin dahil meron nga akong Maribank, bumaba pa kami para bumili sa 7-Eleven. Hindi pwede ang Visa card.
Di bili ka octopus
Paano yung sa'yo?
Ayan mo na.
Dahil ayaw na namin maghintay ng next schedule ng bus, nag-MRT na lang kami papunta sa Peak Tram. Tip ko nga pala, wear ay comfortable shoes kasi marami kayong lakad na gagawin dito. Nawawala kami. Hinahanap namin ng Peak Tram. Lalo na dito sa Hong Kong, ang mahal ng taxi. I-imagine kung wala pang ikaw ticket. Kung wala ka pang ticket, bibili pa lang sila. So, another tip, kailangan lahat ng activities na gagawin nyo, i-book nyo na siya ng advance kasi it saves you from mahabang pila and minsan makakakuha pa kayo ng discount. So, nandito na kami sa loob ng Peak Tram. Tip ko lang, pag aakyat kayo, dun kayo sa right side and pag pababa, dun naman kayo sa left side para masulit nyo yung view. Quick trivia, alam nyo ba na ang Peak Tram has been operating since 1888? Isa ito sa pinakamatandang funicular railway sa Asia. At habang paakyat kayo, mapapansin nyo na parang nakatagilid yung mga building sa labas. It's actually an optical illusion dahil sobrang steep ng incline. And finally, we made it to the Sky Terrace. This is where you'll get one of the best panoramic views of Hong Kong. From up here, kitang-kita mo yung iconic Skyline, Victoria Harbor, and even the mountains surrounding the city. Honestly, pictures and videos don't do it justice. It's one of the places na mas ma-appreciate mo kapag nandun ka na mismo. Definitely worth the ride up. As I stood here, taking in this view, I couldn't help but reflect on how much life can change. There was a time when traveling like this felt impossible. Something I could only dream about. But now, here I am, standing in a place I once only saw in photos. It's a reminder that God can truly turn your life around. He can open doors you never thought would open and take you to places you never imagined you'd be. Looking back, I'm just filled with gratitude. If there's one thing this moment has taught me, it's this. Don't give up on your dreams that God has placed in your heart. His timing is always better than ours, and He has a way of making the impossible become reality. Thank you for watching my video, and see you on part 3.